इस वक्त मैं उडीग्राम में मौजूद हूँ। यहाँ पर इटली के माहिरीन ने 3000 साल पुरानी कब्रिस्तान को दरियाफ्त किया है। ये कब्रिस्तान किस तरह दरियाफ्त हुआ, इस वक्त हमारे साथ इटली के माहिर आर्कियोलॉजिस्ट डॉक्टर लुका हमारे साथ मौजूद है। उनसे पूछते हैं कि वो इस हवाले से क्या कहना चाहते हैं और ये किस तरह दरियाफ्त हुआ। सर, वेलकम टू स्वात। Sir, what do you say this place, how many year old?
So, first of all, let me partially correct what you said before. This is an excavation which is conducted jointly by Italian and Pakistani experts. It's part of a project, ACT, Archaeology Community Tourism Field School Project, which is financed by the Pakistan-Italian Debt Swap program. The project, ACT, is implemented by an Italian institution, the Italian Archaeological Mission in Pakistan, and the Pakistani institution, the Directorate of the Archaeology and Museums, Government of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. In this section, in this trench, we recorded and excavated 30 graves belonging to apparently to three different periods. As far as concerned the chronology, we can say that this graveyard was in use from the end of the second millennium before current era to the first centuries of the first millennium before current era. So what you say that this graveyard is about 3000 years old before present is perfectly correct.
Sir, how many places more expected in this area?
This area, we know, Udegram is a very old city. It was the capital of Udiana. Udegram, Gram means village, so village of Udiana. This was the capital. The capital, which is, as is testified by the presence of this beautiful castle, which was excavated by the Italians in 1956-62. By the remains of the ancient Ora, because Udegram was called by the Greeks as Ora. It was one of the places where Alexander fought one of his most important battles when he reached Swat in summer 327 before current era. So Udegram is very important, one of the most important places in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa in terms of richness of culture, of antiquity, and there is a chronological continuum from Bronze Age to Iron Age, because these graves belongs to the late Bronze Age and Iron Age, until the Indo-Greek period, which was found in the capitals in the Udegram excavation in Ora, till the Sasanian period, like the castle over there, castle and fortification around, from Sasanian period to the Indushai period, so talking about the 10th century current era. And then the most important interesting thing is that Mahmud of Ghazna arrived here. The castle of so-called castle of Rajagira was sieged by the generals of Mahmud of Ghazna, and they destroyed part of the castle and they built a mosque inside one portion of the ancient castle. Mosque which has been excavated, restored, and it is open to the public over there. It is the third oldest mosque in Pakistan. So we are not expecting to find other graveyards. We are expecting to find other graves are scattered here and there. But for the time being, we are quite content with the results of this work. There is a lot of work for the documentation. We will take some samples for carbon dating, so the complete reconstruction of not only of the structure of the graveyard, but also the living aspect of the graveyard itself will be soon published in Pakistan in monographic form, in collaboration between Italian Archaeological Mission and Directorate of Archaeology and Museums, Government of Pakistan, of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa.
थैंक यू सो मच सर, थैंक यू। जैसा कि नाजरीन डॉक्टर लुक्का ने तफसीली इंटरव्यू में बताया कि उडीग्राम यहाँ पर जो है ना एक दारुल खिलाफा हुआ करता था उस वक़्त में भी, और फिर यहाँ पर मोहम्मद गजनवी के दौर में भी यहाँ पर ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रहा। यहाँ पर महमूद गजनवी की मस्जिद भी दरियाफ्त हुई है, वो भी इटली की गवर्नमेंट ने की है। यहाँ पर मैं आपको दिखा दूँ कि ये जो ताज़ा खबरें जो दरियाफ्त हुई अब तक जो इतलाहात है 27 के करीब जो है ना वो खबरें यहाँ पर उन्होंने दरियाफ्त की है। मैं अपने कैमरामैन से रिक्वेस्ट करूँगा कि वो आके थोड़ा सा करीब से खबरें भी दिखाए। खबरें देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर इसकी खुदाई जो है ना ताज़ा हुई है। तकरीबन कोई 4 दिन से ये खुदाई जारी थी। यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं कि ये बिल्कुल हड्डी जो है ना वो पाँव की हड्डी है यहाँ पर, और ये बिल्कुल सही सलामत है। यहाँ पर आसार कदीमा के जो माहिरीन हैं उन्होंने खुदाई की है। उनका ये कहना है कि यहाँ पर 27 कब्रें जो है ना वो दरियाफ्त हुई है।